are back in another video, and me and my friend, my cousin. Hey, do you want to be on YouTube or no?
Yeah, you want the biggest spoon?
Yeah.
Fork?
We're gonna be doing the eating challenge. Yeah. Eating challenge like a Mr. What about Xander? Let's do it in front. Let's do it in front.
I got food on.
Hold on. We're back. And we're gonna eat, and he already ate because he's fat and hungry. Just like me. Yeah, guys, hold on. Wait, don't eat. Gussie.
What up, though?
Shut up, though. Don't eat that. That's no fair to me. Hope you guys can see. So, yeah, we're gonna eat in 1, 2, 3. Nom, nom. Better not win. No. And I should have got a spoon. No! I'm sorry, guys, but I'm gonna lose. I usually win all the time. Nope. No! I'm mad. You better not win. No! Times. Let's show all my points. This is my cousin.
One more bite.
No! That's cheating! This is my cousin's. I don't know if you guys can see that well, but that's my cousin's. Almost done.
Kamari is good.
And this is mine. Look at my fork. That's why. Hey, want this?
No. Too salty. You want the rest?
No, eat it. You got to. Hashtag finish it. No. You better not win.
You win. I'm cheating.
What are you doing?
Cheating. You're gonna win.
Huh?
Cheating.
He won.
No, you did. Because I cheated. Two fingers, look.
I know, I saw it. Guys, I lost.
I'm thirsty.
Actually, I win. So yeah,
We won the contest.
I'm a beast.